Recover your Polkadot Vault derivation paths quickly using Nova Spektr. If you use Polkadot Vault, you will likely have a lot of derivation paths and may know the pain of having to re-import them at times when updating your Polkadot Vault. Nova Spektr significantly improves this process. Open Nova Spektr and add a Polkadot Vault wallet. You now need to scan your Polkadot Vault QR code. Select the address at the top of Polkadot Vault and not an individual key. You can now select Add More Keys. You will then enter your derivation path details. This should be the last time you ever need to do this. You can see that you can add custom derivation paths for all networks during this step. Make sure you select Add New Key to add the derivation paths to the list. Make them match the ones in your Polkadot Vault. When you are done, select Save. On the next screen, select Continue. You will now need to scan the QR code with your Polkadot Vault device. Once done, select Continue on Nova Spektr and then scan the Polkadot Vault QR code with your webcam. Your account and derivation paths are now added to Nova Spektr. Let's export them for future use. On the wallet dropdown, hover over your Polkadot Vault and press the Details button. Select the three horizontal dots at the top and then select Export Keyset. This time, let's download it as a text file. This is an example of the contents of your text file. Store this somewhere where you won't lose it. If your Polkadot Vault and Nova Spektr get wiped, you can use this text file to recover your derivation paths. Now, in this scenario, my Polkadot Vault has been wiped due to an update or something else. Also, in this scenario, I am using a new version of Nova Spektr that did not already have my derivation paths imported. Let's connect our Polkadot Vault to Nova Spektr. Select Polkadot Vault. On your Polkadot Vault device, select the address at the top of the screen. Note that you do not need to have imported your derivation paths into Polkadot Vault at this point. Scan the QR code that is on your Polkadot Vault device. Now select Import. Select your text file and select Continue. Select Continue. Scan the QR code with your Polkadot Vault device and then select Continue. Review the information on your Polkadot Vault device and then scan the animated QR code with your webcam. Your Nova Spektr now has all of your derivation paths imported, but you will see that your Polkadot Vault may not have the derivation paths imported at this point, so let's fix that. Select the Wallets dropdown and then hover over your Polkadot Vault wallet and select the Details card. Select the three horizontal dots, select Export Keyset, scan the QR code with your Polkadot Vault device, review all of the information on your Polkadot Vault device, and then select Import Keys. Congratulations, you have now recovered all of your Polkadot Vault derivation paths. Good job.